Yo, what is up, JAMAICA'S Given here with another reaction? Yeah, and we're back. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 is back with, it's Christmas. Obviously a Christmas period, a Christmas season in that. Hopefully YouTube don't block the video and it drop before Christmas. Cause I know YouTube love black the video there. Big up yourself, still YouTube. Big up on yourself. You see me? 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, there, you know it's Christmas, Guys, you know it's Christmas, right? If you know it's Christmas, leave a like on the video. Leave a like on the video. It's free. Let's go. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, let's go. We're not wasting time. We have a lot of reactions to do today. Let's go. Baby, you get me a feeling. Some people call it love.
Thick chicken in a bit so gravy. Wife chugging on a glass of the Baileys. Passing a glass of the 4 Bells Navy. Fill another cup and I'm about to get wavy.
Love this. Yo, the old school. Yo, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, big up on the side there. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, remember say, hold on, man. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, remember say, one of you guys did adapt me up in the ear, but in a summer or something, adapt me. So remember say, me is now member of your family, so I need to be invited to the Christmas parties, and I need to be invited to, I need my present, Christmas present, Yes, I need that. So I think it was Pete who said, yes, I can definitely be his grandson. You did say it. I may have proof. If you want to show proof in the next video, let me know. I have proof, so let me know. Can you comment and say it, remember? So remember, present. Alright? Present. Just remember. Alright? So let's go back. Let's go. Just saying.
Thick chicken in a bit so gravy. Wife chugging on a glass of the Baileys. Passing a glass of the 4 Bells Navy. Fill another cup and I'm about to get wavy. Yeah, man, we do it up properly. I'm drunk, can't nobody stop me. Scented smoke with a talking cockney. Feeding the dog the leftover broccoli.
These guys are entertainers. These guys are proper entertainers. These guys are proper entertainers. They're controversial as fuck. Them entertaining as fuck. Them are so good at what them do. We're not taking that away from them. Them good. And me never gonna bring no age into it. Them bad. The man them bad, dog. The man them talented, bro.
Born in a barn. Jesus, play too much for the central heating. It's the festive season. Snooze on the couch, your wife got the meeting. Big balls dangling. Monopoly, last one standing. Just got a nice rose gold on a wrist and a brand new rod for me angling.
You know it's Christmas when the snow begins to fall.
This is the Christmas feeling.
Hold on, man. Hold on. What makes that Christmas feeling? What I did? Yeah, see it now? Christmas time, man. Christmas bumbleclad time, man. Pull up the song again, man. Let's go. Hey.
Chicken in a bit so gravy. Wife chugging on a glass of the Baileys. Passing a glass of the 4 Bells Navy. Fill another cup and I'm about to get wavy. Bear in mind, we do it up properly. I'm drunk, can't nobody stop me. Scented smoke with a talking cockney. Feeding the dog the leftover broccoli. Born in a barn. Jesus, play too much for the central heating. It's the festive season. Snooze on the couch, your wife got the meeting. Big balls dangling. Monopoly, last one standing. Just got a nice rose gold on a wrist and a brand new rod for me angling. Boom.
Like this. This could potentially be an anthem every Christmas people play it. You know, like when them play the Mariah Carey, the Big Back Sunday, Mariah Carey Christmas song. This could be one of those songs. Imagine having Michael Bublé singing one of these. Bombo clock. Michael Bublé, pick up yourself. But you can't sing them bad song. And 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 sang this. Move your blood clot, Bublé. Move your blood. Hey!
I'm off my nut like walnut whip, hot top for the late night dip, get bubbly. Champagne in a glass, that's lovely. I like my roast potatoes chunky.
Yeah!
Spent so much on the kids this year, if the wife found out she dumped me. And I think they bump me, this recliner just ain't that comfy. Brand new gifts for the grandkids, wrapped up like a mummy in a bandage. Lands on a Christmas dinner, films on the box and a glass of the liquor.
Whoa!
A nice tidy motor, and I paid our price. Chuggers at mistletoe and hold me mobile while I find my grandson didn't show mum, but his face was bleeding, beaming. What a wonderful evening, best on a blackjack game I'm dealing. Food could have done with a bit more seasoning. I'm in love with this Christmas feeling.
That's why it is to invite me go on a party. I mean, season up on the chicken for you nice. And I will marinate it overnight, guys. I will marinate the chicken overnight. That's why you need to invite me. You just say the food could have do a bit more seasoning. Me have seasoning. Me not use black pepper and salt. No. Me not even use salt in my food. The seasoning alone give you all the spice.
For the grandson didn't show mum, but his face was bleeding, beaming. What a wonderful evening, best on a blackjack game I'm dealing. Food could have done with a bit more seasoning. I'm in love with this Christmas feeling. Red nose like Rudolph, did it in the kitchen, Cluedo. Boxing Day, Frank Bruno. Ate so much, I'm a sumo, yeah. Best in the Christmas cheer. Smoke my fag and I drink my beer. Family, I love sincere. We done quite well, do better next year. Dancing on the kitchen table. Wife keeps looking the one, she wanna twerk on me. Mama, would you look at the time? I need salt and a lemon and lime inside this whiskey. No parsley for me, I need sprats and a pig and a blanket. I'm checking the pamphlet for New Year's flights to the Maldives. Swigging a pint at the family Christmas feast. So snug, give me Christmas jumper. Boom, dance out like I land down under. Splash on the Secret Santa. Good gear in a box, no wonder. Nah, outdoors, tundra. Inside with a baseline pumper. Yeah, here comes the governor. Number one and there ain't no other.
You know it's Christmas when the snow begins to fall.
This is the Christmas feeling.
We love this feeling, so we party all night long.
You know. Can I take my glasses off?
Yo, them two are joke kind of dog. Yo, the one that did the one that come out of the... Hey, yo, big up the Random Star. Yo, Peter Mas, big up on the fucking self, dog. Merry Christmas to you and the family and Happy New Year when it comes, guys. And I wish you guys a lot more success in the new year for your careers and prosperities. You and the family. Yo, big up on the self, dog. I love this. Peter and Bass, big up on the self. Legends. Living legends in the game. You see me? Big up on the self. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, like I did, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright? Peace.